Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to design this isometric view by using Solidworks. I hope you enjoy as usual. We are going to start by creating this length of 70mm and the width of 40mm, extrude up to 10. Let's start. File, new, part, okay. Top plane, sketch, choose center rectangle. Okay, assign dimensions. You have 70mm, you have 40mm, and it is extrude features extrude up to 10. Okay, so select top face, normal, choose line, and start from this. Okay, from this. Okay, okay, assign a dimension. Then this is 10, this is 45 degrees, this is 10 millimeter, this is 45 degrees. Okay, so then assign this distance up to here. It is 20. From here up to this side it is 20. Okay, right, check. Then send this distance. Send this distance is 40. It is 40. Okay, so predefined isometric features extrude both base, extrude up to 30mm. Okay, say okay, check. Cut this semicircle with diameter of 20. You see, select this face normal, choose circle, with 20 diameter. Okay, isometric, you see, features, extrude cut, blind, drawer. Okay, now cut this one, you see, cut this one. Okay, select this face normal, sketch, choose line, start from this point up to this one. Okay, okay, isometric, cut, extrude, blind, drawer. Okay, so you see this the shape we have on our isometric. You can now change appearance, plain white. Okay, select path by default, choose appearance, select this one. Okay, so friends, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos.